Today we will speak about the conclusions of my experiment. As I proved that gravity cannot be found without movement of water and heat, because gravity is just heat energy converted by the movement of water. I'm not saying a sphere of water here because for future explanations. Anyway, to find gravity, and this is, I can call it a law of me, a law of Jaber's law. Gravity cannot be found without movement of water and heat. So when we are speaking, for example, about the sun, planets, stars, all these subjects has proved gravity. So there is, when I'm speaking about the sun or other stars, and I'm saying that there is, we can feel the heat coming out of the sun, so we can feel the gravity of the sun. So we are missing the movement of water. We are the sphere of water, which is moving. So I'm saying here that the sun is just a sphere of water which is rotating inside a crust of heat, producing gravity. This is my first theory, and I believe that the sun, the water is rotating, crossing the gravity, producing electricity. This electricity is dividing the water molecules to oxygen and hydrogen, which will just fly to the surface to be burned, to produce more heat, and so on. So the sun is producing its own gravity from its own heat, which is produced from its own sphere of water. Earth or planets, also, like what we all think that, or used to think, for me at least not, that the core of the earth is just a solid iron. This is not true. The truth that the core of water, the core of earth, just a sphere of cold water rotating inside the lava crust, producing gravity. Why did I call this my work first, second, third step forward, the everything theory? Because using the idea or using Jaber's law through understanding astronomy, astrophysics, physics is solving for me everything. So we are going to go back to it step by step. But today I will just take my idea about the sun, my first theory after proving my law of physics, and I just want to remind you about some facts we know about the sun. The sun density is equal to the density of water. Spectrum of hot water has been observed and proved from sunspots. Also, spectrum of water was proved in solar winds. Water is everywhere. The sun itself is screaming loudly, "I am water." Just listen to the sun. Listen to the corona, 2 million degree in the outside surface of 6,000. How this can happen? Because the heat is entering, not the sun, and not going out of the sun. So the corona is the hottest place in the star, the service, and then inside is just cold. It does not make sense for some people, but in fact it's the only logic to understand things around us in the outspace.